Good morning, friends. Welcome to Chapter 6, Part 1. I just had my breakfast. Right now, I'm traveling for the hidden Bangkok temple tour. So, I'm on a budget. I'm going to take the MRT and then a bike taxi to reach the temple. And once I'm done with the temple tour, I have a plan to come back to the Pratunam area for some shopping. This video will be till I reach Pratunam. This is going to be a very interesting video for you all. So, keep watching this video till the end. I'm sure you're going to love this. In case you've not subscribed to our channel already, I request you to subscribe to my channel. You're going to get all the updates for the future videos. If you like my video, don't hesitate to press the like button and share this video with your friends. So keep watching. Enjoy. Friends, I just give you a quick tour of the La Phoenix breakfast. Right now I'm standing outside the hotel waiting for the bike taxi. I can see already there are a lot of street food vendors here selling tempting street food, and they're usually there till late night. Well, right now I'm traveling in an InDrive Bike Taxi to Sukhumvit MRT station. This is a walkable distance, but I decided to take a bike taxi. I didn't want to waste any time in the morning. However, this trip will cost me only 35 THB. I've reached Sukhumvit MRT station. Right now I'm waiting to pick up a cold coffee from this lady just next to the station entrance. So I'm done. Right now I have to go down and pick up my MRT ticket so that I can reach the station Bang Phai. I have reached the MRT ticket counter. I'm in the queue right now. The queue is quite long, but you don't need to worry out here as everything happens in the system. I picked up my ticket and right now I'm waiting for the MRT to come and take me to my station. I've reached Bang Phai MRT station. Now I'm going to figure out how to go out of the station. It's quite hot out here, so I think I need to figure out a place where I can have a Thai iced tea and then take a bike to reach my destination. Friends, try this Thai iced tea. It's really refreshing. I'm sure you'll love this. Friends, I've already started for my destination. I'm traveling in a Grab bike taxi. The bike taxi will charge me 50 THB for a drop to my destination. As I told already in the morning that this time I'm going for a hidden Bangkok temple tour. What I meant that this is not the common temples which all tourists visit, like the Wat Arun and the Wat Pho or the Grand Palace. This trip I've been planning for some time, so I'm very excited. So I would request you to see this video till the end. I'm very close to the spot, so keep watching. I'm sure you're going to like and enjoy this. Friends, I've been planning this trip for long and I'm very upset, disappointed. There are many tourists like me, they're also upset as we came to know the Big Buddha is getting renovated and covered. So we are right now exploring the museum inside. So I think I need to come back again soon to see the Big Buddha. Friends, I've seen so many videos of this area. Now I'm going to cross the canal, go to the other side and see the beautiful Wat Kling Chan temple, the massive Buddha statue and the reclining Buddha. This is a very interesting area to explore. If you're planning to visit Bangkok, you should keep half a day to explore this interesting area. This area not only have the temples and the canals, but there are numerous small Thai restaurants and cafes out here. You can even take a boat tour, but I'll strongly recommend if you're planning a boat tour, if you have the time and budget, you can plan a boat tour with the Hidden Bangkok tours. They run boat tours during different times of the day, but what I've heard, the tour which is there during the sunset is one of the best. I'll leave behind a link for the Hidden Bangkok tours in the description box. You can check that out. I just got dropped by the InDrive Bike Taxi at the Bang Phai MRT station. The cost for the trip is only 40 THB. Now I'm going to take a MRT to Phetchaburi, and from Phetchaburi MRT station I'm going to go and take the airport link to Pratunam.
The places that'll be here, you cut through the noise. I wish I knew what you were thinking of.
Friends, I just came by the airport link from Makkasan station, which is the Phetchaburi area, to Ratchaprasong, which is in the Pratunam area. The fare is only 15 THB. Now I'm going to walk out of the station and head towards the Platinum Fashion Mall. However, this video will come to an end here. I'm going to continue from here in part 2. I'll be coming out with the new video very soon. To see more, I request you to subscribe to my channel then you're going to get all the updates for the future videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. In case you liked my video, do not hesitate to press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'd like to thank you for joining in and watching this video. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
So until next time, lost in the crowd, but yeah, you drown out the sound. I wish I knew what you were thinking about.